The Format Painter is a small tool that has been available for quite some time, and it's the handiest tool that you never knew you needed and you didn't know what it did. The Format Painter quite simply paints the format onto your chosen text. So if I was to reformat perhaps this wandering word, let's make it red, let's make it a little bit bigger, and perhaps we'll make it bold as well. So it's when you've done several things to some text and you want to copy what you did, and you might think about it later and you don't have to remember all the steps you took to change this format. So while I've got it, there you are, this is how I would start. So I would select the word I want to copy, and it's not the text I'm copying, it's the format. And I'll come up and I'll click the Format Painter icon once. And then I can paste it over any word and it changes like magic. Again, if I want to do that on a frequent basis, maybe I want to apply this to several words, I can double click to switch the Format Painter on, and then I can come and add it as long as I want to. As soon as I've finished with it, I can come back to the Format Painter icon, click it again to switch it off. And as I said, it's one of the handiest tools and I use it on quite a frequent basis.